Hi everyone, this is Sister Sarah Fici with some instructions on how to sign up to help the missionaries on the meal train link that you will find in your newsletter this week, July 19th. What you want to do as soon as you go to the meal train, if you do not have an account, you will be asked to sign up. It's very easy. As you can see, I'm doing the sign up right here. It will bring me to a place where I can either sign in with my Google account, sign in with my Facebook account, or I can create a separate account, which I have already done. It's fairly simple and very easy. You just go ahead and agree to the terms of service and you're in. I'm going to sign in because I have that. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. I can't say Google easily enough. And I should just take me straight to, look at all of these. It'll take me straight to my account where I have a meal train, as you can see, for the Canterbury Ward Sister Missionaries. I'm going to do something cool, just a minute, and create a spotlight so you can see what I'm doing. I am now here at the Sister Missionaries, as you can see, with my handy dandy spotlight. I can either click right here and it will take me to it, or I can click open. I'm going to click open. Here is my setup, and this is what you will see. You will see your name here as the sign up sheet starts, and you will see a calendar. You will also see available dates. And I can put down, since I generally provide meals on Monday, I will volunteer for this day. That will take me to a planning page where I can identify who is going to be providing it. It's me. It will show up in the email and the notification. You will see a name, or I can sign up for somebody else. These folks, Sister Sansusi, Sister Gentile, and Sister McAllen, all have meal train accounts. And so they have provided that information with them. If they wanted to sign up with something, I could just click that and say, Danielle Sansusi is bringing something. Or I could add someone new just by adding your name and email and the meals you were going to bring. I'm going to sign up as me because I'm bringing food Monday. Fabulous summer salad, because the girls need some wonderful vegetables and whatever I can find in the garden. Haha, they'll be thrilled for that. Any notes? There are a number of options that you can have. You will be able to say, I'll meet you at the apartment. Or you can call and arrange another thing. Monday was a particularly crazy day for me last week, so I actually met them at the mobile station off of exit 17, just wherever you can find it. So I'll do that, and then I click here at the volunteer. Now, if I want to go do another day instead of Monday, I could go back and pick another day. But I'm planning on Monday, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I will, yummy, yummy food. I'll surprise you. And any notes, meet at apartment. And then I click here, I click volunteer. You will get a reminder email, or I will get a reminder email. I can also have the option of adding it to my Google Calendar. If you have a Google account, you will more likely than not have that available. And so as I do this, I will just add it to my calendar, because my calendar rules my life right now. And it will load up. It will show what I'm scheduled to do. And then I can save it, and it will show up on my Monday calendar. As you can see, this is the 13th, but this will show up for the 20th. As you can see, here we go. Here's the 20th. and the meal train for the Canterbury Sisters is noted as a time. If I wanted to give it a specific time, I could do that, but that little reminder is going to be enough for me. Then I naturally go back to my, oops, I don't need my Google Calendar anymore, so I'm going to get out of that, if it will let me, and I will look at my volunteer confirmation. Now, I have signed up, it's confirmed, it's going to be wonderful things. I could post it to Facebook, to any page, and everybody will think I'm super righteous, but you already think I'm super righteous, so I'm not going to worry about that. I return to the meal train, and if I have any other days that I want to create a meal train for, you see everything is open right now. You will find the opportunity to make a monthly. So if I plan on doing things monthly, I mean, every Monday, I could just go in right now and create a date where I will take yummy, yummy food again, and I will volunteer for that. And they're going to remind me a week before, and they're going to remind me next, as it says, they're going to remind me 1 week before, and they will also remind me Sunday, because that's 1 day before my volunteer. And there I am. And here I am, confirmed, return to the meal train, and that is where I have signed up, which is wonderful. Very easy. The privacy on this program is pretty good, and it is a very easy program to follow, and it will help me and Sister Talbot create a really good opportunity to organize meals for the sister missionaries. We appreciate your service. You are amazing, and I am so glad that you have decided to assist in this work. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay cool, and hydrate.